So when you were 16, you had to go to the U.S. for
So
your mother?
my dad passed away when I was 16. My mom went to the States when I was 14.
Okay.
And being the youngest, I had to be independent.
Really?
Yeah, at a young age.
You mean you had to be here alone?
I was with my sisters, my siblings, but medyo pag wala kang parents, mas madaling magrebelde.
Oh, okay.
Right, so medyo...
What were your rebelde days like?
Pagka-cutting class,
Come on, we all did that.
exactly. Pero yung, I mean, you know, I didn't know what to prioritize. So, medyo mga barkada. You know, I started drinking when I was 13, 14. I started young.
Well, many boys actually start young.
So, yun. And
when did you go to the U.S.?
I went to the States when I was, I think, 18. And then I stayed until I was mga 21. I'd go back and forth. But I really stayed when I was 20, 19, 20. And then 21, that's when I came back here.
All right. So what was life like in the U.S. for you? What state were you in?
California. That changed my whole person because of my life in the States. Naging independent ako. I was forced to work. Siyempre, pag wala kang work, wala.
What were your jobs in the U.S.?